Hi everyone, for today's video we're going to do a bench test on an AC clutch. So I have this old clutch right here that I just removed from my Honda Odyssey, and this is the new clutch that I'm going to use to replace it. So basically this clutch right here is dead, and this one is the brand new one and should get my AC problem fixed. So an AC clutch test can be done by applying a voltage right here, but I don't recommend that, and a lot of mechanics doesn't really recommend it. The best way to test this is by using a meter. So I'm gonna use my multimeter right here, and we're gonna test the resistance on this coils. So according to what I've researched, a good clutch should have a resistance between 3 and 5 ohm, and if you have about 3.8 to 4.2, that is the ideal number. So let's go ahead and do that. So to measure the resistance, all I have to do is put my meter into 200 ohm right here, because that's the lowest that I have. So I know this one I'm just looking for 3 to 5 ohms, and that's the lowest that I can go right now, 200. So that's where I'll put it. Okay, and the good thing with measuring the resistance, you don't really need to have this positive or negative. You can interchange this thing. Okay, so let me go ahead, put one right here on one side and put the other one on the other side, and let's go ahead and look at my number right here. See, right now I have a 3.7 ohm, so that means that my clutch is good. Okay, and let me go ahead and check the other one. This is the bad clutch. So anything below 3 and anything above 3 will be a sign of a bad clutch. So let me go ahead and do this now. I'm gonna put this thing right here and put the red terminal to the other side. Okay, there you go. I have a 0.2 ohms, so that means that this clutch is not good. Okay, so I hope that you found this video helpful. Please make sure to click the like and the subscribe button to help my channel, and thank you for watching.